Explore Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Advisor Jonga Joint Action Committee, Master Rural Workers Union, Ukro El Pariat, Haka Arpotrik Unaitung Azapun Rio. Ula takranting Yau President Jonga Voice of the People's Party, Youth Wing, Uba Marbut Khar, Ubala Keno Baka Sorka Zela, Kam Don Por, Ben Pej Ikinong Tre Master Rule, Haka Jingakren, Bakiway Kilapatai Kubor, Dan Kandiat Singi. Haka Jingakren Bikilapatai Kubor, Uba Pariat Ulaong Baka Sorka Zela, Haduk Mentakala Siulut, Yabarok Ki Jingsio, Naduk Ki VDA, Haduk Ubnai Jelio Azapun Rio. Henry Light No, Tangna Ko Office, Jong Chief Engineer, Ka PHE. Haka bayade bakaniu ba Pariat ula kentu ya ka VPP ba ikiwei par kiseng san perthai ba kidei bandawat ik Jingshisha Shwa ban keren kenang bakan nam Ïalam Bakla ya ki Paidbah.
Ia ki lap thai khubur ba uta President jong ka VPP Youth Wing. Uang khantha ana ba ka sarkar jalla kam yaqor ban pai ya ki mastro. Halor kan ni nganong tangkan ni kawai ba Kaleng sarkar jalla haduk mentang kala sew lut ya barro kijing sew naduk ke VDA haduk na Jun lain naga tan PHE ka ba pa jong chief engineer kapisa na kaleng sarkar jalla kala sew kala angka dan ka fan nrai chief engineer PH pat kala alor kan ne mat kita ka bai ka ba ngan ni pensayang ni ro ba na kaleng chief minister kon sangma hakan ni hibnai me Nagaliang Labor Commissioner, ula ay hukum ya baru Hirap Department, baka EPF, Employee Provident Fund, kabanta kabala trikam mentala niya professional, hajala jong idang menta bunay, April, wala sedang ban trikam. Teki EPF kabada ka financial, long-term financial security jumi. Kala ale, tekani ka sarkar, ukonrat sangma, ula ale. Nalorang tar kabangan niya tho bencay ruru, hajinga day bat ka welfare board. Kadon ka welfare board ka bikot ka building and under construction welfare board ka badon ko ali department ki masterol ki badon hangto bat ki nong trimester ki ulang dekhot mentay ki la ayo ya ki benefit ko scholarship nang taladon bayat horo ki samla ki officer tamat kini ki try kam menta sat tagaw ay ka banta ki badang yakran menta bat ku ndot sang ma bale chief minister jongi ba ka personal ka finance Hidang bat retirement age kabasong taki masterol. Ti kani kadang yat kakam henraitang nagada badon ba kipara masterol jongi kilay sa po High Court Meghalaya samanta kay bisaro kadang siya. Tingi kerman ba kataro nagaliang ka sarkar kamtam chief minister jongi kun ay na what ya kataka retirement age kabang idawa ba debet siyang taki masterol repo arsnam. Kadaw bagi masterol din siyang taj makubalong tam don jingsiwa Ilabang ka, kajingan day bat kan tho jo kajingan tho jo ng president ng VPP. Pat kibayro gi political party ni giseng ro. Nang ka bahaban wat ampan kulmar yang ni kiri-kiri. Wan ampan kulmar gi Paidbah. Namar ba wat Shwa ka Jingshisha. Wat ka Jingshisha, dayo ka Jingshisha hakti nang taas ya keren. Syupun kulmar kum ni tagamot kam ka Paidbah ano siyang sinong kulmar hadu kata ndai kabakod dai phi ginong Ïalam jong ke political party bat iseng kiban sa mat ka jing pensistam hade pensai ne kaliang jongi ba ot singam hadawat ya ka jing shashwaban karen.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.